Welcome to mechanical tutorial. I am going to teach you different techniques in SolidWorks for mechanical engineers. I am going to train you different modules like part modeling, surface modeling, sheet metal enclosure design, plastic components design, product design, reverse engineering, simulation, and many more tips and tricks in SolidWorks. Hi, today I am going to explain about Allen bolt. Left side you can see the 3D model. Right side you can see the different parameters. See, this is Allen key, size, die of the bolt, head height, and thread length and the length of the bolt. So I'm going to create this model. Let's start now. So this is the model I'm going to create. So I've taken a new SolidWorks part file, select the right plane, go to sketch. So initially draw one center line. See here. This is 13. Can't give this diameter. See, this is the diameter. If it is a solid, we cannot give this dimension. So that's the problem. So we have to show this in construction. So next is this height, it is 8 mm. So this head height I'm going to show. Simply move to the other direction. This is 40. This is 8. So we can show this as a diameter. Now go to revolve feature. So the sketch is open, currently open. So say S, and here make sure that it is not highlighted. See, thin feature, you should not keep this, and simply say OK. So it automatically takes the solid, and you can see the sketch. It automatically becomes solid. So next I am going to create Allen slot cutout. Go to sketch, select hexagon. So make sure that this is vertical. This is 6, and go to extruded cut. So this is where 8. and say OK. Select the right plane, go to sketch, keep it in wireframe, draw one triangle, and this is 30 degrees, and draw one center line. So you can join to this midpoint. See, select this end point and this point, make it coincide. And make it collinear. So similarly, we can copy the sketch and paste it here. See, this is here, or else we can make the block and insert this block. So we can do in either ways, but at this moment I am using simple sketch. So it is converted into construction. So we can move this, all the three entities, to this location. Select this line and this edge, and this end point and this vertex, make it coincide, and select these two lines, center line and this line. So here also we have to make 30 degrees. Say OK. Simply go to revolve cut and say OK. So automatically takes the center line. Say OK. Now let's see in isometric. Keep it in. See here, this slot is created now. Now I am going to create this thread. So before that we have to apply a chamfer. This chamfer is 1 mm. And we have to go to thread feature and say OK. Select this outer edge. See, blind I am taking 30 mm and metric die. Here M8 into 1.25. Okay, cut thread and say OK. So, and we have to apply offset. See here, it is starting from here. So we have to apply offset the other direction. So here I have taken 2 mm. So we give the offset to have smooth transition of the cut at this end. So that is the advantage. So we have to apply chamfer before applying thread. Next I am going to create one chamfer. So it is 1 mm and 2 fillets. at this point and this point. See here. So one more thing we have to do is we have to have a sharp cutout. So select this face and go to sketch, and convert entity. See here, and go to extrude cut and say OK. See here. So there is a smooth transition in the cutout. So this is the final component. So this is a brief about Allen bolt. Thanks for watching.